Okay, we are going to get into a fully automated car. Okay. And there's no one driving.
Hello, Salatko. Vehicle approaching from Waymo. As we get going, just give us 1 minute to cover a few riding tips.
Wow.
This experience may feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always.
Did you buckle
So
up?
keep your seatbelt fastened, please. If you're traveling with little ones or
Hey Zlatko, say hi for my YouTube channel. Can you confirm that there's no physical person
You're
in the car?
connected. To get Spotify going, press the Play Spotify button on the rider screen.
Predobro je ovo. Ode on.